Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I created this eye look that you can see right now. Now, this is actually a very easy look to create, so hopefully this will give you all some inspiration. Now, the first thing I did was my brows. I will put a link in the description bar on a video where I show how I do my brows. Then I primed the eyelids. I always do this before going in with any eyeshadow because it will just leave me with a nice clean canvas for all the eyeshadows that I will apply. It will remove the redness and just make my eyeshadow long lasting. Then I set it with a little bit of powder and then I applied this eyeshadow guard. If you don't have one of those things, you can also use like some regular sticky tape that you have at home. That will also work. Now I will be playing with the newest palette from Natasha Denona, and I'm going to start with this soft pinkish color. It's not like really pink, but more kind of like a salmon shade, you know, the salmon fish. So I'm going to blend this all the way in my crease, just going from the inner corner to the outer corner, just blending this all the way in my crease area. Then after this, I'm also going to kind of like blend it a little bit on top of the eyelid as well, but I'm mostly like focused in my crease area with this shade. Now I did already film another look using the Natasha Denona palette, which is also more like a soft look. But I am planning to do more of like a dramatic look, but I will be going on a holiday, so it will be probably after coming back. I feel like I've actually done a lot of neutral kind of soft glam looks lately, and I really want to get back into like the more dramatic smoky eyes, like smoky glitter looks and all of that. And I feel like when I get back on holiday, it will be actually perfect because fall season started, like the holidays are coming, even though it takes a few months, you know, but it already feels more like appropriate for these kind of looks, if that makes sense. So I'm just so excited to start creating more dramatic looks again. I'm just so looking forward to it. So I will of course still be doing these soft looks for those who are interested. I was actually thinking maybe doing at least one like soft look every week and one more dramatic look every week, so everyone can kind of be like satisfied. And also maybe someone actually suggested in my comment section to do like a series for like quick mom looks. But I will probably do that after my pregnancy, so it's actually, I can see if it's actually mom proof. But yeah, I will keep you guys posted about that. So I have been doing a lot of things and I've only been talking about other stuff, but I used now a glitter. I mean, that shade that I used all over the eyelid was already quite glittery, but I just wanted something extra. So after applying the glitter, I went in with some concealer and I used this right underneath where I created that kind of like smudged out eyeliner situation. I feel like because I did already apply my foundation, it kind of ripped off the foundation underneath the eyeshadow guard. So I had to kind of like fix that with a little bit extra concealer. And then I used that same dark color that I used for that smudgy eyeliner, and I used this for the lower lash line as well using a Sigma flat definer brush. I still have a discount code that you can use for Sigma Beauty products. This is a affiliate link, which means that if you do purchase anything using my code, I will get a small percentage of the purchase. Not like a small percentage of the product you're buying, but I'm sure you guys know what I mean. I have also listed down in the description bar. But I have been a long time fan of Sigma, as you guys know. So yeah, I used the pencil in the waterline and then I curled my lashes because it's time for mascara, and I will be using this new mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. I think this is becoming my new favorite mascara. What I really like about it personally is that it gives volume, it makes my lashes long, and it's super long lasting. Like sometimes when I apply mascara and then after a while I feel like my lashes go downwards again, but when I use this one, the lashes stay in place the way I want it to be. That's what I really like, and I definitely like to use this mascara for like on a daily base. On a regular base, I only use like eyeliner, a little bit of like a brown color in my crease, and mascara, and I need a good mascara because I don't have the longest lashes for myself, and this one I really like. So here you can see the before and here you can see the after. I mean, I don't have the longest lashes, but for me this is actually really good. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I decided to not go in with false lashes to keep this more like on a softer, easy to recreate look. And just for everyday wear. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!